What's up, guys? Very good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is People, and let's continue to learn about how to apply to LinkedIn. And I will teach you about our procedure that will take you guide to about everything about apply. So I will start from scratch, and I will learn teach everything about how to go, how to open LinkedIn account, and how to apply most effectively while using a LinkedIn. Okay. So let's dive. And now I can see if I am going to search many role that is there. You can see here is a software engineer and 1402 only vacancy are created now and in Python 388. So just we will click now here and we will filter about most recent what we know about everything if that was created and that was posted about, more than 1 week ago. They will never hire, they will never think about your application because they had something higher position for them. So I will mm, select more entry level internship because we are searching about internship and entry level and for here is the company select company that you can select for them, and we will select full time. No, we will set it, we will keep it default because it's important. And now we will go slightly below, and where is experience level. Okay, so anytime you will select past 24 hours. Okay, so let's check how many vacancies are now. Okay. So you can see here, just 194 vacancies are open in software engineers post, and now there are many candidates who will apply them. So it's the competition is very quietly tough for getting a good job now, and for not a good job now, it's very tough to get a job in this tech field. So I will just recommend to you if you are just passionate about tech field, to should come, and if you're not, then you should not come in. Thank you.